Hello viewers, welcome to Creative Designer, and in this video I will tell you how to design a social media post in Adobe Photoshop. So I have taken a document of 1080 pixels by 1080. As you can see that I've taken a wooden texture background for this design. You can search on Google and you can download it anywhere from any website to free or paid as you wish. It's on you. You can use another one. I've used this one and I used a table. On this table, I will put this burger. Now first, I will add a curves adjustment layer to match this burger to this background and clip this curve layer to this image. Then we have to create the shadow of this burger. So under the burger layer, create a new layer. Take the brush tool and hold Alt and right click and drag up to decrease the hardness and right to increase the size. Increase the size and make this brush like this. Yeah, yeah. Now it's okay. Make the brush like this. You can increase the flow to around 48 or 50%, or you make sure that the foreground color is black. Take the black and brush tool and paint it softly here to create a feel of shadow. Yeah, let's rename it shadow so we can find it afterwards. We can edit it afterwards. Always try to name the layers at the same time so you can find it afterwards. Now adjust the shadow. I will decrease its opacity to around 90%. Yeah, 90% is good. Yeah, it's looking good. To make it more real, I will add blur. So go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. And Gaussian blur radius 5.5 or 6 is okay. Yeah, it is already 6. 6 is okay. Now it's looking more realistic. Now you can now I have to match this table to this texture background. So I will add a curves adjustment layer and clip it to the table. I will adjust point where it matches with the image or with the background. It's the before the curves layer, it's not matching, you can see that, and after that it's matching. You can consider it a part of this design and a part of this background. Now adjust the burger position and press Ctrl and make it horizontally aligned, or you can adjust it manually, whatever you want. Now you can adjust the shadow. It's looking too light. I will make the opacity 100%. 100% is looking good. Right click, select both the layers and link layers, right? Now, yeah, we have done till now. Now take the text tool and write the text. I will write special. Take the selection tool. I will choose the color from the burger. Always choose the color from the product of promotion. Then press Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. Then I will use Ananda black font for this. Ananda black, yeah, this one. Now press Ctrl T, make it bigger. Yeah, adjust the position, whatever you want, increase the size, adjust it according to your taste and bring it under the burger layer. That, yeah, it's looking good. So we want to show that it's behind the burger, so it will look good. Now press Ctrl J and make a copy of this layer, and I will write offer instead of special. Now press Ctrl T, decrease the size and adjust it, and I will choose the font script, CJ script, whatever you pronounce it, CJ script I think. I will use the regular one. Take the selection tool, adjust it according to your taste. Yeah, I think now it's good. Good. You can always change the position afterwards also. Now I'll create a new layer and take the custom shape tool. And I will choose the shape of this call out button. Fill to none, and the stroke should be that this white color. And I will increase the stroke to around 3 pixels. Yeah, I think 3 pixels is good. Yeah, it's good. Now select it and press Ctrl Command T, right click and flip horizontally. Then adjust its position according to your taste. Now add a text. Take the text tool and write your text. Yeah, your price. I'm writing the price here, $20. Yeah, $20. You can add your own price, but it's not real. I will choose Impact Regular. You all know Impact font is very popular. Increase the size and adjust it in this button, in this shape. Remember, we have to make this price prominent. Okay, but it's not looking good. So I will cut the dollar and hold Alt and drag to make a copy of this, and I will write dollar, make it smaller, and again hold Alt and drag to copy to make a copy of this, and write only, and adjust both. Now it's looking good, better than that. Now lock the background layer and the table layer also, because we don't need it, because we have to select the upper layers. Now select both all the text layers and the shape layers and click link layers to move it together. Now make a group of this and you can name it price, so you can find it afterwards. Always name the layers and groups. Now we have mentioned the price, the image, the table, and the background. And the main text is special offer. Now take a rectangle tool, because we have to mention the website, and make the corners round, around 30 pixels. Then zoom it, and I will choose the red color for this. Press Alt Backspace to fill the foreground color. Take the text tool and I will write the website URL. So www.burgerlounge.com. I will write the name. It's a fictional website. Don't go and search on Google. You can write your own website, your client's website, or your company's website. Now press Alt Backspace to fill the foreground color. I will change the font from Impact to Poppins, and Poppins Extra Light. Yeah, Poppins Extra Light. And I will decrease the tracking to around minus 100. Yeah, minus 100 is okay. Decrease the size. I will decrease the tracking to around increase minus 50. Make it minus 50, it was too much. I will decrease the height of this button, because it was not looking good, and now it's looking better. But now website is not prominent. Let's place an arrow. I have an arrow, so increase the width of the button and make the website name to the left, and bring this above the rectangle, and decrease the size of this arrow and place it according to your taste, but make sure to maintain space between the website and the arrow. I will make it light. Yeah, now it's visible. I will increase the width of the button, because we have so much space between the burger and the button, so we can make it regular and more prominent the website. And yeah, make the tracking to 0. Tracking. Adding the tracking was not looking good. Now decrease the size of the arrow and adjust it. Make sure to maintain the space between the website name and the arrow. Yeah, now it's the button is looking good. Yeah, now you can feel that it's looking good. Now we have mentioned the website name and the price. Now take a custom shape tool. I will choose an arrow so that the people will see the button. Stroke to none and go to fill. I will choose this color. Yeah, take the selection tool, press Ctrl or Command T and rotate and press Shift and rotate to 45 degrees. Then place it according to your taste. I will place it here. And adjust the button. Right select the button, right click, link layers to move it together. Name the group as a website. Now adjust it. Yeah. Now this arrow is pointing towards this website, making it prominent. Unlink the layers and then select the shape. Press Ctrl T and increase the width. And now adjust the text. Now select all four. You can adjust the position and now select all four and right click, link layers and close the group. Now it's looking good. The price name, the price and the website name also. Now close all the group. Now you can place your logo here. Adjust the position, the special. I think it, yeah. Increase the size of the burger and then adjust the position of this text. The special offer. Price is good. The button is good. Increase this size of this button. Yeah, now it's looking better than before. You can always change the size and the position of the burger. Now as you know that it's a social media post, so you can also add a hashtag. So I am writing hashtag, let's say burger lounge offer. Yeah, burger lounge offer. I will choose the font Poppins. Yeah, Poppins extra light. Yeah, extra light. Yes, it's the right position. Now close all the groups to make your layer panel clean. Now I will adjust the curves which I have masked on clipped on the burger. Decrease it. And now it's looking better. Yeah, now the burger is looking better, but you can change it according to your taste. I think that it's looking good now. Now it's good. Now you can decrease the opacity if you don't want so much. I will decrease the opacity to 80%. Now to add a touch, let's add a curves adjustment layer. To add the final touch, add let's decrease. And I want to create a vignette of it. So select the mask and press Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. Then take the brush tool and press X to toggle between the foreground and background color and paint in the outer areas. To make it dark, you can increase the flow to 100%. And that is good. You can paint in the outer areas with white to make it darker and then press X with black to paint with black in center. Yeah. Can do like this because the light should be at the center on the burger. So it will be an effect of vignette. You can see the difference before and after. Yeah, it is looking good. Now at the top of it, you can add a curves adjustment layer. to more enhance it. Yeah, it's looking good. Now you can add a color lookup. You can choose free strip. Yeah, free strip is looking good. You can decrease the opacity to around 30%. Yeah, 31, 30%. And now it's looking good. So now our social media post design is ready. Thanks for watching.